With thousands of people in town for the NAACP convention, some local businesses have a great opportunity to show off what they can do. In some cases, they're actually making their products right inside Cobo Center. Our Paula Tutman with some folks tonight who are looking to give their businesses a boost. Hi, Paula.
Hi. So no doubt about it, there's a lot of eye candy here as well as credit card candy. I mean, take a look at this. This is Henry, who's working on a custom piece right now. And these pieces are not only incredibly beautiful, but I just love the fact that you get to hear the stories of the artisans as well as the stories behind the products before you buy them or even try them. It is more than just shopping at the NAACP boutique space at Cobo Hall this week. It is understanding that there is a story behind every product.
The Native Americans say if you have the power, you must introduce that power to the metal.
To wear an item created by artisan Henry Osagefo Colby of Timbuktu Art Colony out of Atlanta is to understand that he has a love affair with metals.
So I'm a craftsman, but I'm, first of all, an artist.
Silver, copper, iron, silver solder, and you can watch imagination and skill at work before it lands on your fingers, your wrists, your ears.
Voila, fish and chips. All right?
A right-away pen is not just a pen.
These are custom ink pens made from acrylics, all different kinds of exotic woods. We have themed pens.
That's when you're using a writing implement custom designed by Cora Williams. And she is a Detroiter.
My pen appreciation goes back to elementary school.
Her use of intricately designed inlaid wood, heavy metals, and tasteful bling can come from her imagination or yours.
There's no limit to what you can get. Somebody came yesterday, they ordered a pen, they wanted the 23rd Psalm on the pen, and I'm able to accommodate that.
By trade, she is a journeyman and a millwright who has turned that art into this art. And then there are the Yummy Brothers, 4 pint-sized titans of the kitchen.
Yummy Brothers is a gourmet catering company.
The Billingsley brothers operate out of Detroit and Atlanta. They make the cookies, about 5,000 dozen a week. They market the cookies with expertise well beyond their years.
$20 per dozen, and the reason why is because they're gourmet, no added preservatives, and we sell them by the dozen.
They sell the cookies with cute little boy charm.
Thank you.
So, you know, the really good news is that the NAACP boutique has been really busy. The bad news is this is the last day for it, but you can certainly find a lot of these artisans online. I want you to stay with us because, Jason, right over there, the job fair. It's really an interesting job climate. We're going to have that story coming up live at 5 with some interesting information on the climate and the forecast of jobs. It's really a good story.
Voila, fish and chips. I love it, Paula. Thanks. Tomorrow is a big day at the convention with the presidential forum in the morning. 8 of the Democrats running for president are expected at that forum. You can see it streaming live at clickondetroit.com starting at 10 a.m.